Okay, hi everyone. My name is Miss Gold, and I'm here with Mr. Lee. He's going to be telling us why people make mistakes in cryptocurrencies or lose their money in cryptocurrencies.
Thank you for having me, Miss Gold. As you guys already know, my name is Mr. Lee. First of all, I think there are several factors why people loses money in crypto. You know, maybe I'll start with this one called capital. This capital of a thing factor has actually affected me negatively when I started the crypto journey. I was using the 98% of my capital to invest in crypto.
98%.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what it means that the total money you're having, you're using 98% of it to invest in. So it not gives you a very negative thought in the sense that when the crypto dips down, like if it's like a bear market or it goes down a little bit, and at that moment you are having a personal problem, you're gonna sell to loss. Do you understand? You're gonna sell to loss, and indirectly or directly you're losing because it won't be at the same amount of money you bought it at that moment. I can remember myself, I bought a coin of around $10,000-$15,000 and I was selling it at $200.
Wow,
I needed that money. It was really, really very urgent for me. Then the second one I can say is mentorship. In this crypto space, there are people that the people they call the so-called mentors are using you to make money and are using you to dump a coin. I'm not saying the fact that some mentors shows good coins, but even those ones that showed good coins, some of them also showed their own coin that is a scam coin. They just want to make money on it. You understand?
Yeah.
So when they give you two good potential coins, they show three scam coin. You'll be like, what's going on? It's really crazy. So this is the reason why I tell people, even if someone shows a coin for you, you should also do your own research. Deep down research is really, really important. Another thing I think is learning. I said this in my other interview. Is people should learn before they invest. This is the problem of Africa. You understand? You don't just because Mr. Lee is buying WMT World Mobile Token and you want to buy. Do you know when I bought it? And I bought it at 0.12 and you're trying to buy it at 0.20. It's a different ballgame. You're losing. Do you understand? And for me, the final one I can say is greed. A lot of people on the crypto space are very greedy, to be honest with you, because you can't use $10 to want to make $100,000. The thing is, crypto gives people money. But if you're investing $100, there's a certain amount of gain you get, you leave. You're not the developer.
Yeah.
You jump into another coin. You understand? Unless you are buying at the low points. So that's how it works. And people won't understand it. So this is my little take on some factors that make people to lose money in crypto. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, we've all heard from Mr. Lee what he said, and I hope we really, get to, put these things into practice. One, you learn, and you also your mentor. Make sure you might not really know what's happening, but sometimes just, on your own, make that effort and learn about whatever it is you're trying to put your money into, because you can't be too sure. So, Mr. Lee, what you're trying to tell us now is it's a 50-50 thing, right?
On mentorship.
Yes.
Yeah, on mentorship is a 50-50 because while he shield a coin for you, you should actually do your own research.
Okay. So just do your own research, and it'll all go well the way you want. So thank you so much again, Mr. Lee, for, giving us this
Thank you so much.
thing about cryptocurrency.